Hey, hi guys, welcome to my channel. There's a simple chocolate tart recipe. Generally, when you think of a tart, it looks like a humongous job, but here it is, very simple and very easy, no big recipe. All you need is 6 tablespoons of butter and some 12 to 15 pieces of digestive powdered biscuits. And add this 6 tablespoon of butter into your digestive biscuit, and if you need some more butter, just add another spoonful of it. And yeah, mix it well and make it like a nice crusty paste, and pour it into your tart pan and gently spread it across the tart pan to just hold the shape. Be sure that you're gentle and you don't break the mold. And once it's done, refrigerate it for minimum of 15 minutes to make it hard. Then take 200 grams of chocolate, whatever you like, dark or light chocolate, and double boil it with half a cup of cream and 4 tablespoons of butter. Melt it so, and add some vanilla essence to it, a couple of drops, and powdered sugar if you need. You can skip this process if it's a milk chocolate, so that's totally up to you, and a pinch of salt. And yeah, give it a gentle mix once again and make it into a smooth paste. And once that's done, take your refrigerated tart pan out and pour this gentle buttery smooth silky mixture into the hardened tart base, and be gentle with it, and it's really beautiful and tastes good as well. And once this is done, you place it into the fridge again for a minimum of 6 hours or maximum overnight. I took it out a little early because I couldn't really resist, and you can garnish it with roasted almonds, cream, whatever you like. Cut a slice of it and have the fun. It's really good for birthdays, and it's a really good treat for your guests or your loved ones. So go ahead, make this, because if I can make it, you can make it too. And if you really like this recipe, go ahead, like my channel, subscribe to it, like the video, do comment back if you've tried this recipe. And yeah, I'll see you again with something more exciting next time. Bye.